There's a unique kind of pain that comes when the person you love becomes the very person who makes your life harder. You're picking up the slack, handling the bills, running the house, holding the emotional weight. And all the while, your spouse sits back, unmotivated, unbothered, unaccountable. You're not alone. And no, you're not crazy for feeling angry, tired, or resentful. This video is for you, the partner who feels like they're doing it all. Let's talk about how to deal with a lazy, irresponsible spouse, with strength, strategy, and self-respect. Step 1. Accept what you're actually dealing with. The first mistake many people make is denial. You think, maybe they're just tired, or maybe if I do more, they'll change. But here's the truth. You cannot fix what you refuse to name. So say it out loud. My partner is not showing up for this relationship. That clarity hurts, but it's the first step toward healing. Step 2. Separate laziness from deeper issues. Not all laziness is created equal. Is your partner struggling with depression, burnout, or past trauma? Or are they just choosing to opt out because they know you'll handle it? One comes from pain. The other comes from entitlement. You need to know the difference, because how you respond depends on what you're actually facing. Step 3. Stop enabling the behavior. Love is not about rescuing someone at the cost of your own well-being. If you're always cleaning up their mess, covering the bills, or explaining things away to family, you're not helping. You're enabling. Set the expectation that shared life means shared responsibility. You don't need to scream. You don't need to fight. You just need to stop doing what they refuse to do for themselves. Step 4. Speak their language, not just your truth. Telling your spouse, "I'm tired," or "you're being lazy," might feel honest, but if it triggers defensiveness, nothing changes. Instead, speak in terms they can hear. Try this. "When I handle everything alone, I feel more like your parent than your partner. And that's not what I signed up for." This frames the problem as relational, not just personal. Step 5. Create a non-negotiable system. A successful relationship isn't just built on love, it's built on systems. Clear expectations. Consistent follow-through. Consequences that matter. Sit down and divide responsibilities. Write it out. Don't assume. Don't beg. Don't threaten. Document what each person is responsible for, and hold each other to it. If they drop the ball, let the consequence speak louder than your frustration. Step 6. Protect your peace. You can't force change in someone who doesn't want to grow. But you can protect your mental, emotional, and even physical peace. This might mean limiting how much you cover for them, refusing to argue or repeat yourself, spending more time on your personal goals, healing, and happiness, seeking therapy, alone, if they won't come. Because here's the truth. Your peace matters. Your sanity matters. You matter. Step 7. Know when love becomes self-betrayal. This one's hard. But if someone refuses to change, refuses to grow, and continues to leave you with all the weight, you have to ask yourself, am I loving them, or abandoning me? Sometimes, staying silent becomes self-sacrifice. Sometimes, staying together becomes staying stuck. You deserve a relationship where responsibility is shared, effort is mutual, and respect is present, even in the small things. Closing message. If this video hit home, know that you're not alone in this journey. Many people love deeply, but feel trapped quietly. And the first act of reclaiming your power isn't yelling or leaving, it's seeing things clearly, and choosing to stop participating in your own exhaustion. Comment below. What's one thing you've been doing that your partner should be doing too? Let's talk about it, and support each other. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. See description below to discover more powerful psychological secrets to persuade anyone to do anything.